Our top focus this Tuesday morning is on the fallout of the Lakhimpur violence, in which 8 people died on Sunday. We're going to show you now footage that's emerged, and this is being put out now by several politicians. Sanjay Singh also tweeted this out, in which you can see how protesters, how farmers were killed. This is what reportedly triggered the violence that broke out soon after. What you see on your screens is a speeding vehicle, a speeding jeep, just going right through the protesters. Many of them, of course, have their backs to the vehicle and they're walking a protest holding flags in their hand, what looks like a completely peaceful protest, till this vehicle rams into them and continues going in full speed. There were several deaths that were reported because of this incident of a car mowing them down. Remember that several of these protesting farmers who were there at the site had alleged that this convoy belonged to Union Minister Ajay Mishra's son, Ashish Mishra. That chilling footage could perhaps be the smoking gun in this particular case. The investigation is still underway, but I want to take this across now to Maushmi Singh for all the latest updates. Maushmi, in that video, you can actually see someone behind the wheel. Have the investigators been able to identify exactly who that is? Because there's been an allegation that the Union Minister Ajay Mishra's son, Ashish Mishra, is involved.
Akshita, we do know that the UP government has set up a judicial probe under a retired judge of the High Court, and investigation into all the videos that are allegedly of the incident have in fact been taken into custody. The police is actually investigating each and every video. So the particular video that you're talking about would also be investigated, because the timeline, the incident, the spot, everything needs to be found out, whether it's an accurate video of the scene, which really shows 2 vehicles mauling over farmers from the backside. So we will have to wait and see how the agencies do respond to that. Even as you know, politics is in full swing. We are on ground zero in Sitapur. This is the PAC campus, and right here the Congress workers have been camping all night here, waiting to see their leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra putting out a scathing tweet asking Prime Minister that she has been kept under detention without any charges, without any paperwork, without any information of why she and Dipendra Hooda have been kept under detention, even as there's no justice for the farmers. So Priyanka asking that question to the Prime Minister, Akshita, right when the Prime Minister would be in Lucknow today for an urban conclave.
Now, the politics speaking clearly. The Congress is asking questions now. The BJP, Priyanka Gandhi, directly posing questions to the Prime Minister on this. Let me also take this across now to Kumar Kunal. He's reporting from Lakhimpur Kheri, the district that is reportedly very, very sensitive right now, where you've got a huge security deployment as well. Kumar, good morning. It's over to you. Get us the latest updates from the ground. How are things looking in the district? Because yesterday we got a number of reports suggesting that things were still very, very tense.
Yeah, exactly. Good morning, Akshita. And yesterday we were in the Lakhimpur district, and we were covering every thing. We are bringing all the details from the ground zero. And what was the mood at ground zero? That was quite obvious that the people are not happy with the administration, the way the proceedings take place. The incident of Sunday evening, in which at least 4 farmers died. Now all the eyes will be on the judicial inquiry, although government has promised the farmers that they will constitute a judicial inquiry. But now the video which has surfaced since yesterday evening, that has raised serious questions over the administration and what the police forces were doing when all these incidents happened. So obviously people are quite angry that government is trying to give it a political turn, political spin. But now they want unfair inquiry in the matter, and that's how the things are being panned out since yesterday. We are
Yes.
keeping eye on it, and we will bring everything, whatever will happen throughout the day today.
Right, Maushami and Kumar, thank you very much for joining us on this broadcast with those latest ground reports.